Henry, the water is still running. Where is the handle? Behind you. Oh, I see it.
We will be away for a little while. Please behave yourselves.
Don't worry, Mom. We will be good.
We promise.
Remember, no running and no making a big mess.
Okay, Dad.
We understand.
We will stay safe. Good. We will be back soon.
Shh.
Okay, they're definitely gone. Let's go. Let's play a game. Okay, but let's be careful. Of course. We won't make a mess. Deal. Oh no! Look at the floor!
Oops, that wasn't supposed to happen.
We made a big mess. We need to clean it up.
Maybe cleaning is harder than playing.
Henry, you almost fell.
I'm okay, but look at my hair.
You look very funny. We are dirty now.
You're right. We should take a bath.
Then we can clean ourselves. Good idea. Let's go. Everything looks ready.
Reorganization. But remember what Mom said.
Be careful and don't play with anything.
Exactly.
Lily, look at that soap. What about it?
I wonder if it makes lots of bubbles.
Maybe, but we shouldn't play with it. Just a little bit won't hurt.
Are you sure?
Yes! Look, it's making bubbles. Wow, there are so many already. Wow, look at all the bubbles. They're huge.
I can't even see the water anymore. This is amazing.
Henry, I think we should stop now.
Just one more bubble.
No, look at the floor.
Oh, the bubbles are coming out of the tub. Uh-oh, this is a big problem. We need to turn it off.
I can't see the drain.
The bubbles are covering everything.
Henry, the water is still running.
Where is the handle?
Behind you. Oh, I see it. I turned off the water. Good. But why are the bubbles still growing? I don't know. Henry, the soap is getting in my eyes.
Are you okay?
My eyes are stinging.
Don't rub them. We need to get help. Hold on tight. Don't look down. We're almost safe.
Mom, Dad, we need help. Mom, please come quickly. They will hear us.
I hope they come soon. Did you hear that?
Yes, the kids are calling us.
Let's check on them.
Henry! Lily! Are you okay?
What happened in here?
I'm sorry, Mom. We played with the soap.
We didn't think there would be so many bubbles.
Are you both safe? Yes, Dad, but Lily's eyes hurt.
Keep your eyes closed for a moment, sweetheart.
Okay, Mom.
Let the clean water wash the soap away.
Thank you, Mom. My eyes feel better.
Henry, why did you use so much soap?
I wanted to make more bubbles.
Did you know soap can hurt your eyes?
No, Dad. I didn't think about that.
Household products are not toys.
We understand, Mom.
We should have asked first. Exactly. Safety comes before fun.
From now on, we keep soap and cleaning products where children cannot reach them.
Okay, Dad. We will never play with them again.
Good. That is a smart choice.
We made this mess together.
Then we should clean it together.
Yeah!
You're right. That's the attitude I like. Look, the floor is almost clean.
We are getting better.
Teamwork makes cleaning easier.
And faster.
Are you feeling okay now?
Yes, Dad. I feel much better.
My eyes feel fine now.
Good. I'm glad you're safe.
I think we broke our promise. You made a mistake, Henry. I'm sorry.
What matters is that you understand what went wrong.
Next time, let's play with our toys instead. Yes. And we'll ask Mom or Dad before using anything.
That sounds much safer.
And much smarter.
We're really sorry, Dad.
We love you guys.
Just promise us you'll be safer next time. We promise.
Let's choose a game that doesn't make a mess.
How about building a big castle?
Great idea.
That sounds like safe fun.
Can you pass me the blue block?
Here you go. Thank you.
Let's make the castle taller.
Careful, it's moving. Oh, don't touch it. Hold on. We did it.
Wow, that is a beautiful castle.
We built it carefully, and nobody got hurt.
That's what I like to hear.
Do you remember what happened in the bathroom?
Yes,
we used too much soap. And we didn't ask first. Exactly. That is why we must be careful. Before using something new, always ask an adult.
I will remember that. Me too.
Good. Being curious is wonderful, but being safe is important.
We promise to ask before using household products.
And we promise to follow the safety rules. Promise accepted. We are proud of you. Today was a little scary. Yes, but we learned a big lesson.
And you learned it together.
That's what families do. We help each other. Let's clean our toys before bed. Good idea. We learned our lesson today. Safe, clean, and organized.
Excellent teamwork.
We learned that fun is better when it is safe. And we should always ask for help when we need it.
That's right.
Mom, can I ask you something?
Of course, Henry. What is it?
Why can soap hurt our eyes?
Because some soaps can irritate our eyes, so we must use them carefully.
Remember, children should never play with household products.
Even if they look fun?
Yes, they can be dangerous if we use them the wrong way.
So we should always ask first.
Exactly.
Mom, I'm sorry we scared you today. It's okay, sweetheart. I'm just happy you're safe.
Next time, I'll ask before I use anything.
That's a very good promise.
Today was a big adventure. Yes, but I learned something important.
What did you learn?
Fun is better when we stay safe.
That's exactly right. Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad.
Good night. We love you. We love you too, our little stars. Sleep well and remember,